In part 3 of the series, we will dive right into what to do after we're finished installing the film into the channel. I hear it all the time during my trainings. You're stretching the film way too much, and it'll fail. My answer, how do you really know? I would like to show you why I bridge and push the film into the channel, to measure how much stretch there is, and most important, like really important, how to post-heat the channel after the install. Here, I'll use the HHR quarter panel as an example to bridge the film and install it into the deep channel. To have success, heat the film thoroughly. Not doing so will give you an uneven stretch, which means the cold areas will not stretch properly. This is not good. You want to heat the entire film to ensure you're using the most of the film and not just a small part of it. Here's another question I get. Why not feed the film into the channel? Yes, this area I probably would do that. But if you're doing a full panel, you would then have troubles feeding the film where the taillights are. I will show you just how easy it is by bridging and pushing the film around the lights. Here, I have the 3M wrap film series Dead Matte Black that is bridged around the quarter panel. You can already see the film wrapping around those taillights. As I'm heating the film, you can see I'm doing overlapping strokes like you would be squeegeeing. This is how I control my heat, and no, I haven't missed a spot. Find the deepest spot in the channel, and with the wrap glove Ghost, drag your finger along that area. If you see any fingers, not to worry. Use heat lightly to get rid of them. Squeegee what is flat now up to the taillights. Here I heat, then find the channel to run my finger along it. And then do it again. And then do it again. You can see there's a bit of a pattern here. Knowing this will make your installations much easier. Also, I can't stress this enough. Using the wrap glove Ghost is a must. There is no friction on this glove. Friction is what would create the unwanted wrinkles. Without the Ghost glove, I would be wetting my glove with the slip solution. It's the only other way to get rid of the friction. How about we measure and see if I'm under the 10% rule I have when it comes to stretching the film. To do this, you'll need to run 2 strips of masking tape along each other where you'll be bridging the film. Draw a line where the tape has run off the panel. Usually it's on a body line somewhere. Then lift one of the tapes off the panel and feed it into the channel. The distance between the 2 lines will let you know how much the stretch is. When measuring the 2 lines, you'll see it's a 1/4 inch. So write that down. Then measure the bridged area and write this number down too. It measures at 9.5 inches long. So you're going to take the 1/4 inch, divide it by 9.5, then times it by 100. And this should get you your percentage of stretch. And for the most important responsibilities for anyone installing film is to post heat. I can't stress this enough. With a digital gauge that can read the temperature, make sure you get the film hot, between 200 to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. What this does, it builds the adhesion of the film quicker, plus it really cements the film to form the shape of the channel. You don't want to take a chance of having the film go outside and have the sun cause failure because you did not post heat your channel. If you want to know more about 3M films, click on the link in the description below to visit 3M's webpage and view more of the great products and services that offered. Thank you and looking forward to doing this again. Bye for now.